This literature kit on Cheaper by the Dozen by Frank B. Gilbreth includes pre-reading and vocabulary sections to prepare students for the upcoming chapters. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Get an idea of what an efficiency expert is like by brainstorming what their goal might be. Identify statements about the Gilbreths' car as true or false. Describe how the children convinced their parents to buy a family dog. Explore the Gilbreths' life view by finding more efficient ways to do things in the classroom. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as investigating the life of F.W. Taylor, whose achievements influenced the Gilbreths' work in efficiency. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Using a chart, compare the traits of Mr. Gilbreth with another character in the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.